Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. The terms living room and drawing room are often used interchangeably in the world of interior design, even though the two represent separate realities. So what are the difference between these two spaces? Although they both designate a type of sitting area, they don't both designate the same space. What is a living room? Sometimes also called a sitting room or lounge. The living room is the space where the homeowners and family members gather to spend time together. It's a space designed for recreation but also for the entertainment. The space where guests are welcomed, they visit. The term living room is relatively new in comparison with the drawing room. If we talk about the drawing room, the drawing room term appeared in the 18th century and designates a space which is mainly used for the entertaining the guest. It's not a room where the homeowners would spend their free time, but more like the space where guests are seated before and after the dinner. The two rooms can also be told apart by judging their location in the house. The drawing room is typically situated near the entrance and close to the front door, so guests can go directly inside without having to pass through other rooms. The living room, on the other hand, is often found at the center of the house. A living room is generally furnished with the comfortable chairs, sofas, and often include a fireplace and a media unit with a TV. The decor may include elements such as artwork, framed family photos, etc. The drawing room, on the other hand, is more a formal space. The decor is kept simple and tends to be mainly functional. The name drawing room comes from the phrase with drawing room, which was used from the 17th to 18th century in England. In fact, this room was where a person could withdraw for a bit of peace and quiet. Homeowners and their guests appreciated having a private space for reflection and relaxation. In fact, after dinner, the ladies would often withdraw to the drawing room to be followed by the gentlemen. This practice continued into the 20th century. The drawing room was also a place to entertain guests as well as visit with them. The drawing room is often closer to the front door, a bit out of the way, whereas the typical family living area may seize its healthy share of traffic. A drawing room is more likely to have the more expensive furniture, or at least the furnishings that are meant to be a bit more protected from pets and children. Rather than involving the term drawing room, some people use the words den and living room to distinguish between two living areas in the same home. The den is a campfire room, often with a television, while the living room may refer to the more formal space.